Hi, I'm Vinnie Gwen.
Hi, I am Joaquin Pineda.
So let's start the game.
Can you send me a screenshot of your Pinterest homepage? Carry na ba yan?
Sa nakikita ko sa feed niya, interior designs. Ang dami nangyayari.
Because I'm an interesting person.
Ang gaganda ng mga architectural spaces.
Thank you. It's a compliment.
He is yun, interior designer or baka architect.
Feel ko kasi yung Pinterest ko, talagang kitang-kita mo na agad yung dream ko eh. Sana hindi niyo pa rin mag-gets.
Maybe someone you know now.
No now? Titibagin ko na to. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. I'm very excited.
Let's go.
Oh my God! Hello!
Hello, nice to meet you. So, tama ba yung hula ko?
Nadali mo. Yes, of course. Nahulaan mo ang aking karera.
Are you still studying?
Yes po, I'm currently studying architecture. Pag-graduate na po ang gay. So, yun lang.
What kind of spaces are you most drawn to creating and who do you imagine them being for?
Dapat it reflects their stories, their aspirations, their dreams.
Alam mo, ang ganda, no? Kasi, alam mo yung hindi lang siya basta aesthetic.
Yes, exactly.
May puso.
I love it.
What is your ultimate goal with your space design journey?
Sana mabigyan ko talaga ng bahay ang mga magulang ko. Yun lang yung wish ko. I just wanna be that person who designs spaces for change.
Alam mo, pareho talaga tayo. Kunyari, may ginawa kang design ng ano,
Yes,
tapos parang
yeah.
dream come true din for them. Ganun. Iba yung fulfillment.
Sana matuloy ko sa interior design.
Sana.
Please.
Paano mo ginajuggle yung plates and deadlines and how does Globe help you to stay on top of that?
With the power of the internet, lahat pwede mo na gawin eh. Isang puk, mag-a-achieve mo na lahat. Even if it feels like a big task, like with Globe, talagang elbow lang yan. Isang
Yes.
Google Calendar lang yan. Madali na yan, di ba? So, it really helps me connect to the world with my friends, with deadlines, to stay on top of things.
Ganun talaga yung Globe. They really support dreamers. So yung dream space mo, go build it. Ang importante, you're showing up for your dreams and vision. Sabi nga ng kanta namin, wala namang humahabol sa'yo. Di naman dapat matuli ng pagtakbo dahil buhay ay di karera.
Thank you, Mother God.
It's not always easy, but it's your dream, so hold on to it. Together, let's go for it. Find out how Globe can help you go for your dream here.